Hey guys, it's Alexis and welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm going to be reviewing another slime from Emerald City Slimes. Ooh. Yeah. So today, this one here is a 6 ounce and it is a jelly cube, and I've already played with this slime. And yeah. So some of the jelly cubes are smushed already because I never had a jelly cube slime. And I'm going to pause this real quick so you're going to see this image. I'll be right back, guys. And I'm back. So, here is the slime, and yeah, here's the slime. It is called Jolly Rancher. Oh, focus camera. Here, it's called Jolly Rancher. It's a 6 ounce. Oh my gosh, why won't this camera focus? There we go. So let's play with it. It's a nice jelly cube. The scent smells exactly like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, and it's very strong. I can smell it from all the way up here. And this one did come, my mom gave me a Sour Patch Kid with it. Just like one. It was a red one and I ate it already. But you can see there are some of the crushed up jelly cubes that are already crushed up. So here's the slime. Jelly cube slimes aren't really that pokey. Like here. And I'm just going to zoom this out a bit. There we go. That probably wasn't like any bit, but doesn't make great bubble pops because of all the jelly cubes in there. But it's a nice clear base, like teal color. Would you call that teal, guys? Is that teal? Here's a jelly cube. Okay, so I'm gonna smush this one for you guys. This might be the only one I smush in the video because I don't want to smush them all. I mean, jelly cube slimes still need some jelly cubes in them because, well, at least I think they do. It's so satisfying to smush them. This is the first jelly cube slime I've ever had. I'm not sure if I've mentioned that yet or not. So, shh. So here it is. Focus, camera, focus, focus. Oh my gosh, there's a mini bubble on top. Aw, what a way. Oh, it's coming back. Squish. It's so fun. This one isn't doing as well as the other ones, but it is squished in there. So now we're just going to squish one more for the camera because that one I don't think was really good. I'm going to squish a smaller one. Here it is. Focus, focus, focus. Just going to wait till focuses. Did you guys hear that? Pop, it popped. It's so satisfying though. And then it's like this. And a bunch of these random bits. Oh, and then here's the actual sponge part. It's right here. It's in there. You can see the white, guys. Do you see that white? Focus. Okay, well, it's not focusing, so yeah, I don't get why this camera's not focusing today. Or any day. It doesn't focus. It's not focusing right now. Okay, now it is. Slime is very satisfying. Let's see how about the bubble pops. Let's see. It's okay with bubble pops. It's just with all the jelly cubes, it's hard to like pop, like to make the noise, like to crack them, like that. If you don't want to squish them, the jelly cubes. So yeah, I like it. Kind of has a metallic-y look to it. And now my dad's phone is ringing. That is just very pleasant. If you hear the phone, then sorry if you hear my dad's phone that's ringing. Or him talking. So yeah. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up to like it. Subscribe down below to the red subscribe button to gray. Turn on the post notifications by hitting the bell icon next to the gray subscribe button. And comment down below. And yeah. I was about to say let's get on to the video, but that's my intro. This is the outro. So yeah, bye!